Hey friends, sorry I missed posting last week. Life be lifing. I am also going through my luteal phase, so I'm tired and a bit down. So I'm giving myself grace and time to rest. But today I wanted to share a little cleaning motivation video. First, I'm going to start off cleaning and decluttering my daughter's playroom. They are 4 and 14 months, so they love to go crazy in here. I used to stress about all the toys and the mess, but I realized their childhood years are short, and one day I'm going to actually miss the chaos. I gave up my dining room so they could have a dedicated play space, and it has helped keep the mess down in the main parts of the house. This is a week's worth of mess as well as a 5-friend play date, so I decided to go ahead and try to clean up while the girls took a nap. I'm teaching my daughter the value in enjoying what she has, but she is also 4, so she is always wanting new toys. I've been instilling in her that if she no longer plays or enjoys certain things, that she should give other kids a chance to enjoy them. That works sometimes, but other times I have to sneak and just get rid of things they don't really need. My youngest always plays with whatever the oldest plays with, so I have been getting rid of all the infant toys. I realized everyone was getting overwhelmed by all the toys, so I've been considering rotating them out to see what she asks for and what she forgets about. With the holidays coming up, I know there's going to be more toys coming, so I'm working towards clearing out a lot of this stuff before December gets here. This is as far as I was able to get before the girls woke up from their naps. I do plan on moving the playroom down to our basement area where they can have more space to move around and play on the larger toys and their bikes. But for now, this is what we've got. Next up is our guest bathroom. I absolutely love the Swiffer Power Mop. I was using reusable mop heads for it that I could wash in the washer, but I found that I just prefer the disposable pads. Being able to just throw them away is a convenience I enjoy, especially right now, and it's less laundry. I also love using Clorox or Lysol cleaning wipes. They also help cut down on laundry. I'm often conflicted about the waste factor sometimes, but for now, I'm taking convenience over anything. Next up is laundry. As you can tell by my outfit changes, this is all happening over the course of several days. Again, life be lifing. I've got 3 kids, I'm a wife, and just trying to be me. That really takes up all the hours in the day, and honestly, there's just not enough time in the world to do things. I have been slowly tackling our laundry to get it down, and currently we are down to 1 dirty basket of clothes and 1 dirty basket of linens, so I am very thankful to have gotten so much done. My husband has also been helping work on the laundry with me, so we have really tackled a lot. When you're doing laundry, does anyone else who make sure you look through your husband's pants pockets to see if there's any cash that may have been forgotten? This has been a fun cleaning video, and I hope it motivated you to clean up too. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Later, friend.